Here's something wild to consider. In a very real way, you are not one person. You're two. Inside your head, your brain is split down the middle, with the right side controlling the left half of your body, and the left side handling the right. These two hemispheres are joined by a massive bundle of nerves called the corpus callosum, which acts like a superhighway, letting both sides instantly swap information. But here's where it gets mind-bending. In rare cases, usually to treat severe epilepsy, doctors have had to cut this connection, turning patients into what's called split-brain individuals. Outwardly, everything looks normal, but under the surface, the two halves start to show their independence. Imagine, for example, trying to pick out clothes. One hand reaches for a blue shirt while the other grabs red. The two sides literally fight for control. The left brain is the chatty one. It handles speech and makes up stories about what's going on. The right brain, though, is silent. It can't talk, but it's a pro at recognizing faces and dealing with visual and spatial puzzles. When the two sides can't communicate, things get weird. Show a word to just the right brain and the person can't say what it is. But the left hand, controlled by the right brain, can pick up the matching object. Ask the person why they picked that thing, and the left brain, completely out of the loop, will just invent a reason, not to lie, just because that's what it does. Split-brain patients can even draw two different pictures at the same time, one with each hand, and sometimes if you ask both sides questions separately, you'll get totally different answers. It's like two separate consciousnesses living in one skull. So what does this mean for who I am? For most of us, the hemispheres work together so smoothly we never notice, but experiments show there's a second, mostly silent intelligence in each of us, always there, always aware, but just out of reach. The I that speaks is only half the story. This shakes up everything we think we know about the mind, free will, and the self. Are you really just one person, or are you two minds forever working in tandem? The answer, it seems, is you are two. And if that doesn't make you rethink what it means to be you, I don't know what will. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more fascinating science insights.